Are you a beginner in the world of investing and wondering which stocks to buy? Well, you've come to the right place. This video will guide you through 3 stocks that, as a beginner, you should consider owning right now. They belong to 3 of the world's most influential companies, Apple Inc., Amazon.com, and Alphabet Inc. Why don't you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so that you are alerted whenever we release a new video to help you on your exciting journey to financial freedom. We want to remind you that this video is for informational purposes. Always do your own research before investing any money in stocks or the stock market. Now let's begin. Founded in April of 1976 by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne, Apple has grown into a technology titan, known for its innovative products like the iPhone, iPad, and MacBook. With its strong market position and a reputation for quality, Apple is a company that you can rely on for stability in your portfolio. Apple's robust financial health, its continuous innovation, and its ever-expanding product ecosystem make it a compelling choice for beginner investors. Next up is Amazon.com, established in 1994 by Jeff Bezos. Amazon started as an online bookstore and then expanded into selling almost everything you can think of. Amazon has not only dominated the e-commerce industry but also made significant inroads into cloud computing with Amazon Web Services. With its diversified business model, Amazon provides a balance of growth and stability that can be especially beneficial for those new to investing. Last but certainly not least is Alphabet Inc., the parent company of Google. Founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin in 1998, Alphabet has a vast portfolio of products and services, including the world's most popular search engine, Google, YouTube, Android, and Google Cloud. Alphabet's diverse range of income sources and its influence on the digital age make it a prime choice for your investment portfolio. In summary, Apple, Amazon, and Alphabet are 3 stocks that offer a blend of stability, growth potential, and diversity, making them ideal for beginner investors. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and these companies, with their strong market presence and innovative business models, are well positioned to continue growing in the foreseeable future. And there you have it. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. Start with these 3 stocks and you'll be on your way to building a robust and diversified portfolio. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more investing insights. Make your money work for you. Start investing today. Before we wrap up this video, we thought it would be beneficial to share some additional tips for those of you who are just starting your investing journey. First, diversification is key to a successful investment portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across a variety of sectors and companies. This will help you to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. Second, adopt the buy and hold strategy. Investing is not about making quick money. It's about growing your wealth over time. So, once you've invested in a company, be patient and resist the temptation to sell your shares at the first sign of trouble. Thirdly, understand that investing comes with its own risks and rewards. The potential for high returns often comes with a higher risk. Therefore, it's important to assess your risk tolerance and invest accordingly. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making consistent decisions over time that will compound and grow your wealth. So, take your time, do your research, and make informed decisions. Happy investing! If you liked this video, we bet that you will enjoy the video now appearing on the screen. Go ahead and click on it right now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.